Hi, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel as I'm going to be bringing you several videos. In fact, currently we have over 300 videos that are educative, informative, and would guide you on how to succeed in the Forex, crypto, CFDs, synthetics, crypto, okay, I already said crypto, synthetics, stocks, and all of the trading platforms that you may have found yourself. Turn on the notification button and you will be notified when there is a new video, and then you can possibly gain access to get the information immediately. So in this video, make sure you watch this video to the end as I begin to explain to you a few things and teach you a few things in this video. By the end of this video, you'll be able to learn and understand backtesting perfectly. There's some of you who have beautiful strategies, but you haven't taken out time to backtest this strategy. That's the essence of this video. You need to first of all create a good strategy. Of course, you know that already. But for you to be able to know if this strategy is good for you to make money is after you have backtested the strategy. One of the things that will help you win with your strategy is backtesting. And many of us in trading, or many of you, because I know what backtesting is, don't really know what backtesting is, and they don't know how to go about it. And that's why I'm doing this video. I'm very much concerned about you, and so I've done this video to help you very well with your backtesting. Okay, so quickly let's go to my trading view. Okay, because of course that's what I'm going to be using for this. So just in case you don't have trading view, the link is going to be on the description side of this video. Just click on the link, get registered, and then go to Google Play Store, Apple Play Store, or your Apple, or your laptop, mobile device, iPads, whichever device you're using, or you go on Windows Store to download TradingView. Quickly, let's go there and let me show you what you can do to backtest your strategy excellently and possibly win. What you need to know is the backtesting on TradingView usually is connected to the monetization of your TradingView account. So if your TradingView account is not monetized, you may not be able to get through with the backtesting on lower time frames. Okay, so backtesting from these time frames up until the 24-hour time frame is for only accounts on TradingView that has been monetized. Okay, so just to get that done, you need to just go look for the packages you can be able to do. You can do, let's say, 1 month. One month is quite cheap and affordable. You can do 2 months, 3 months, or whichever package you can be able to do. You do it and you can backtest on lower time frame. So in absentia, because this account is not monetized, or rather was monetized but has expired, and I'm going to be using the higher time frame backtesting to just show you, but it's simply understanding how to do it. You can actually do backtesting on any time frame, but you can just easily read the candles correctly how they should go. Okay, so quickly, this is the 24 hours time frame. So, and of course, those of you who understand what it means to do a top-down analysis, just like the name implies, you have to go from higher time frames into lower time frames. That's simply what top-down is. In case you want to watch that video, then you just need to go to my YouTube channel. I did an exclusive video on top-down analysis. I have one on how to do top-down analysis, and I have another one, my simplified top-down analysis. And I think that those videos will help you in mastering and doing a beautiful and a good top-down. So just as the name top-down, all you need to do first of all is you got to go up to what time frame you're considering as your starting time frame. Let's say 1 month. Okay, and then you do 1 month, 1 week, and you take the entry in the 24-hour. What that would mean for the lower time frame is, let's say your entry is 15 minutes, it will mean that you do your analysis on the, let's say, the 4-hour time frame. Okay, and then the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and then the 15 minutes. So just 3 time frames and you're good to go. Or you do from the 1 hour or you do from the 1 hour time frame, then the 15 minutes time frame, and then your entry time frame is 5 minutes. There's some people who do their top down that way. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to do my top down analysis from the 1 month time frame and go down like that. So one of the first things about back testing is you're going to be using this replay button. Now I have a video on how to use TradingView. For those of you who has been finding it difficult to navigate TradingView, it is simple. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Go and see the video I made on how to use TradingView. You'll see how to use all of these available products, available tools, beautiful tools. I must tell you, beautiful tools. TradingView is a great blessing and has made trading very easy for all of us. Okay, so quickly, let's just do this. So you click on the replay, you go to what date you want to start back testing. You want to see what historical data will look like from that date. Okay, from the high time frame, you want to do your analysis, and then you begin to do your analysis. So I haven't known how I do my analysis. This is for me a downtrend, okay, and then of which this is an uptrend, and then I spot my liquidities area, of which there's none here right now. So I go to the next time frame, which is my next analysis time frame. Then I find the liquidity, so of which I've just seen this. Okay, I've seen that one. So I spot all of the liquidities that I need to consider for my trade or for my strategy. Then, having done that, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to play the replay, and you will find the, of course you clicked on replay, you will find the charts playing as though it's in real-time trade, and that way you can be able to see how the candles behave, their character, their behavioral pattern, and you can easily imagine. It's nice and beautiful to do that at the close of every week before the new week, so that especially if you're trading forex mostly, so that before the new week is coming, you have, probably come up with beautiful strategies that can, you've probably understood the characters, the behavioral pattern of the candles, and then when they begin to form, when the candles begin to form in a way that you find them useful, you just know where your entries will play out, and it helps you a lot. Part of the things you're going to notice is going to help you not to miss entries. It's going to help you not to miss entries. It's going to help you not to enter entries that are not yours. It's going to help you to stick to your rules. So this is me spotting all my liquidities on the bull side and going straight into my entry time frame to now begin to study to see what is possible. So I think the time frame I went to is too far, so the candles are not coming out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back a little bit again. I cut it from the higher time frame, so let me cut it now from the lower time frame. Now this might not happen to you if you're using lower time frames, okay? It's happening because I'm on a higher time frame, so to go back it's hard because the candles are very much compressed. So I'm doing it again, and this is the high time frame. Okay, so I'm just going to just look at the trend first. So if you look, you see that, okay, so these are the drawings before that I couldn't use. So you look at the trend first, or which, if you understand trend very well, you see that this is a downtrend. Okay, then you're going to zoom out again, and like my strategy is, I'm going to spot the liquidities and that will help me, create my possible entries. So right now, no liquidity on this time frame, so I go to 1 week time frame, of which I can see one here. And I can see one on the upside. So just 2 liquidities I can see right now. So I haven't drawn the liquidities and the trend line. I go straight into my entry time frame, which is the 24-hour time frame. And what you need to do next is you just play the replay and watch the candles move as if it's in real-time trading, and tells you what the character will be like. So if you look very well, for those of you who understand break of structure, change of character, you agree with me that this is a good break of structure, change of character. And since it's not on my liquidity zone, what I do when I'm back testing, I haven't back tested because I've done back testing before, is I'm going to go a buy, but the take profit will just be on the closest high, and the stop loss will be on the previous low. So this is how I trade this, and I just watch price play out as expected. So this is how to back test. So I haven't done that. Now, how did I know that can play out? Because I have back tested it previously. So you see why you need to back test to master your strategy. You need to back test to master the candles. You need to back test to understand market structure perfectly. You need to back test to stick to your rules. You need to back test to win more entries. You need to back test to grow accounts. You need to back test to make money. You need to back test to be profitable. It is back testing that shows you you're winning before you win in real-time trading. So let's look at for the next entry. Okay, so let's see what price is going to do. So this is just like real trading. The candles are moving. That's what backtesting is. And then you're just observing it the way you used to observe in real time and looking at your entry. So okay, price is currently going up or to the upside liquidity. So I'm looking to see if I can find any other liquidity, but the liquidities form my basics for entry. Okay, and I can find one already just here. Okay, so if price for any reason plays into that liquidity zone time frame, which is the entry time frame, and I begin to look out for my entry. So for me, it looks like price is currently going to that upside liquidity, but let's see if it does a detour. Okay, so price is now on the liquidity. What did you see? Did you see price changing direction? That's the power of liquidity. So that's it. That's my entry. That's the power of liquidity. Did you hear me? That's the power of. I'm going to do another video on liquidity. Watch out for that video. I'm going to show you what liquidity can do, and then power of trend. I'm going to show you the power of trend. So those 2 videos, watch out for them. Power of liquidity, power of trend. So this is the entry already. Okay, so price, I see price. I haven't done this. Seeing that there's a lot of liquidity here, for me, I'm going to be breaking even with this entry. Okay, so, and I'm going to do TP1, TP2 for any reasons, because I'm seeing this first liquidity here as TP1. Okay, as take profit 1. So taking partials, because price is going to click against some liquidities, just so that I don't miss out. I'm going to take first profit there, second profit here, and third profit to be on the final target profit. Okay, so that's what I will be doing with this kind of entry. So I'm just going to just play and just watch what price will do. Okay, so price went a bit close to the TP1. Okay, this didn't play out well. So now take note, you will not always win. You will see that in backtesting. You will not always win. You will not always be correct. You will not always be correct. So that setup failed. Now when you have a failed setup, just as you're seeing in the backtesting, what do? You go back to your drawing board, back to the higher time frame. Okay, I'm looking for new liquidities. This has been mitigated, so it's gone. Okay, then I'm looking out for a new liquidity that may form my basis for entry, okay, of which I've spotted one already, and this is my new liquidity. Okay, I haven't seen that liquidity. I'm going to go down to my entry time frame and I will watch what price will do when it gets in that liquidity, and that will tell me exactly what I should do with that liquidity. So let's see what price will do when it gets there. So price got into the liquidity, it mitigated it, and then the liquidity, and then it came up. So I've already seen my entry. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, so now break of structure. So we're going to wait for change of character until there's, okay, so you see that now because there was no change of character, automatically what it means is we are no longer going bullish. Okay, so now rather we have a break of structure to the downside and a change of character to the downside. So what it simply means is we're going to go bearish, which is the previous bearish move that was spotted, but maybe probably we went in too early. That's what it means. This will be your stop loss and this will be your take profit. In this case, I don't see any liquidity stopping price. I think we just have one take profits, and we'll just watch and see what price will do. So this is what you do with backtesting. So if it fails, you know, oh, this is bad, and you find out why it failed. If it plays out, you just know, oh, this is why it played out. Okay, but being that I'm a liquidity trader, I always trust price to go to my take profits. If it doesn't go to my take profit, then I'm wrong. I always trust price, because price will always go from one liquidity to the other. So it doesn't matter how long it takes, even if it takes 3 days, as long as I have not taken stop loss, I know price will definitely, and that's exactly what price just did. Okay, so I don't know what trader you are. You may be a swing trader, maybe a trend trader, you may not be a liquidity trader. Whatever kind of trader you are, just ensure that you have back tested. It was a win. The second entry was not a win. The third entry was a win. Now, this is what we always tell you about trading. This is a profitable trade. The loss is part of the profits. If you look at the reward here and the risk here and the reward here, you will understand that the risk to reward ratio has increased the account. Just in case you want to know more on risk to reward ratio, you need to go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and watch the video I did on how to manage losses and how to do a good risk to reward ratio. And also you need to also subscribe to the mentorship plan to learn risk management, because it's in risk management you're going to learn very well on risk to reward ratio. So with a good risk to reward ratio, no matter how many stop loss you take, you will still be profitable, because your target profit pips will always cover for the loss. So if you look, you see it's just small pips here, but you have more pips on the target profits, you have more pips on the target profit. Put all together, you see that you are a profitable trader. Okay, now the consistency of repeating this many times is what makes you profitable. So in backtesting, you need to repeat this many times, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to stop with these 3 and 3s. But for you that is watching this video and want to start backtesting, please make sure you do it many times. Like I said, do it every weekend if you're trading Forex. If you're trading crypto, do it every time before you trade, and that will help you see the market behavior, the candles character, market pattern, market structure, and help you be able to spot. That's why I can look at an entry and I know this is where price is going, because I have seen that play out in a backtesting scenario, and I'm expecting it to repeat itself in live trading pattern. I hope you've been able to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I hope this video is very helpful and very useful to you, and I hope that you've turned on the notification button. I'm going to be bringing you more educative videos like this, and I'm sure they will help you. They will help you improve They'll help you perfect your trading strategy, perfect a lot of things, help your psychology, guide you on how you can easily win in trading. Make sure you do this. Subscribe now. Turn on the notification button. You can also like and make your comments on this video. Until the next time when I'm going to be doing this video, or the next video with the next topic, make sure you keep winning in trading. See you soon.